Hello Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Gemini, paunang mensahe po ninyo ay Four of Pentacles. Ayan, so this is for general life. This is control, no? Reminding of you to take control of your resources, take control of your money. Okay? Kung sa relationship din ito mag-resonate, take control of your relationship. Kasi baka, no? Baka hindi ikaw, hindi yung person mo yung nagpapatakbo ng inyong relasyon. Pwedeng impluwensyado kayo ng kung sino man, hindi ba? Maaring iniimpluwensyahan kayo ng kung sino, mga kaibigan ninyo, mga magulang ninyo, di ba? Mga ibang mahal ninyo sa buhay, pwede, no, na sumusunod kayo sa kanila. Diba? Kung ano yung papaano ninyo ina-navigate yung inyong relationship. Maybe you're being dictated by someone else, no? So, pwedeng ganun ang ganap dito. Pagdating naman sa pera, no? Take control of your money, okay? Dapat balanse, no? Yung pagmamanage ninyo ng inyong kaperahan. Maybe there's a need for you to manage your money wisely, diba? Savings, budget ninyo, for daily needs, yung mga ganon. So, kailangang balance, kailangang sumusunod kayo sa inyong budget plan, okay? So, that is a requirement para sa iyo rito. Maaari yun ang hindi ninyo na pagpo-focusan, no? Yung pagbabudget. So, pagdating naman sa inyong money, career, and finances, we have 10 of Pentacles. Ayan. So, napakaganda. Kasi 10 of Pentacles is about this is about wealth, this is about abundance and prosperity. So, most likely, pagdating sa pera, napakaganda ng inyong sitwasyon. Maybe you are going to be very abundant and prosperous ngayon. You're very lucky pagdating sa inyong kaperahan. Maaaring meron ditong opportunities, no, na maghahatid sa inyo ng mas marami pang financial comfort, na mas marami pang kaluwagan, sa inyong pera. Marami pang blessing ang dadating siguro at this time. Pwede rin na ang iba sa inyo rito, masasabi nyo na you can already support, no, your needs and the needs of your family and your loved ones, no, hindi lang for few days, for few weeks, for few months, but for the long term. So, pwedeng ganun din ang ganap rito for some of you. So, napipick up ko dito, there could be a lot of financial blessings na paparating, no? Baka merong return of investment dito, maaring meron kayong bonuses na pwedeng matanggap sa inyong trabaho, or baka meron kayong job well done na ginawa, diba? At maaring mabiyayaan talaga kayo financially, ma-rewardan kayo financially. Pagdating sa inyong relationships, we have the world. Wow, napakaganda naman ito. See, the world, this is about success. So, most likely, magtatagumpay kayo, no, sa pag-aalaga sa inyong relasyon. Maaari din na kung sa love and romantic relationship naman na sitwasyon, baka ang iba sa inyo dito, baka kayo ay magtatagumpay, no, sa pandiligaw, lalo na if you are still single, baka meron kayo nililigawan, no, at yan ay mapagtatagumpayan ninyo, mapapasagot ninyo. Pwede rin na kung meron kayong proposal, no, wedding proposal or marriage proposal, should I say, baka mapagtatagumpayan din ninyo yan, no, maaring sumang-ayon, no, na magpakasal na din sa inyo yung inyong person. So, there's going to be success dito pagdating sa inyong mga relationship. At hindi lang ito limited to love and romantic relationship. And even, no, sa pakikipagkaibigan ninyo, things are also going to be siguro in good shape, no? Magiging maayos, maganda rin ang inyong samahan ng inyong mga kaibigan. For love and romantic relationship, pwede rin na meron dito magle-level up siguro talaga ng inyong commitments. Some of you siguro are getting married na, or baka ma-engage na, or probably now will start a new love and romantic relationship. Pwedeng merong bagong kung single kayo, bagong relasyon, bagong love connection ang maaaring papasukin ng iba sa inyo rito. Kaya good luck and congrats. Maraming salamat po, no, for everyone that who have subscribed already to my channel. At kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, subscribe na po kayo. Everyday po ako may uploads, everyday may guidance. And maraming thank you din, no, for everyone who are sending me super thanks, sending me donation. Maraming salamat. And sa mga hindi nag-skip ng ads, maraming salamat din po for your support. Final message ninyo is sanctuary. Ayan, embrace the need for solitude. Your inner sanctuary calls you. Renew yourself and thrive. Ayan, so napakaganda, no, Gemini? Meron kayo ritong invitation for you to put yourself in solitude. Kasi baka kailangan nyo din ng pahinga. Okay? Kailangan ninyo na magnilay-nilay, magmuni-muni. You need to connect. No? You need to connect with yourself. You need to connect with your soul. Yung ganon. Kasi baka, no, sa dami ng ginagawa ninyo, baka hindi nyo na nabibigyan ng panahon yung sarili ninyo. Kaya, mag-solitude kayo. Okay? You need to renew yourself. You need to replenish your lost energy, mag-rejuvenate, mag-recuperate. Okay? What else? We have confidence. Be bold, rise up, and stand tall. Feel the fire in your soul. Okay? So, yun. Be very confident about yourself. Okay? Be bold and be confident. Lalo-lalo na sa mga bago ninyong gagawin sa buhay. Kung meron kayong mga bagong goals or meron kayong mga sitwasyon dito wherein you're going to take action towards the realization of your dreams or your goals or whatever kind of trabaho, you know, you're going to be very confident about it. You're going to be very assertive. Kaya napakaganda, diba? Kasi kung ganun kayo, ganado kayo, determinado kayo, focused kayo, ay walang chance na hindi kayo magtagumpay, hindi ba? You're definitely going to succeed. Kaya good luck and congrats. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.